Today we're going to be building up my Forbidden Druid. I just picked this bike up from Cumberland.
Don't be fooled by these phony accusations, backlash and slanders, front and they publicity stunts and propaganda. Keep it private, cause I'm the commander in chief.
But I'll show you guys how I put together a bike, kind of what my setups are, and then at the end of the video we'll show you some riding clips on it. I'm running an XL Druid. My Dreadnought is a large though, because when you look at the sizing between this bike and that bike, they're pretty similar. And I like a bigger bike as opposed to a smaller bike. I think it's nice when you hop on a bike that feels like your downhill bike for trail bikes. Yeah, the Oakley air brakes, they're good for kind of getting some hardware work done and also for riding. We're just going to cut the steer tube now. Got my cutting tool of choice here. If you like to gamble, I'll tell you how you. Yeah, so the cut wasn't too bad, but I think we'll finish her off with a real pipe cutter. Bit of extra cable in there, but we'll get the guys at Oak Bay to clean her up. Give the brakes a bleed. But it's starting to come together now. Take your whole bike apart to put that. It's pretty tight looking. Still do. There, what's your guess for the torque spec?
I'm gonna say 8 Newton meters. No, 7. 7 Newton meters.
Look at that. 8 Newton meters. You actually too in front of it.
These trails aren't illegal. It's just illegal to ride motorcycles.
Stop, check my phone. It's like
We're out here riding Pandemic. Dean Tennant built this during the pandemic. It's super sick. It's closer to home than Duncan, where we usually ride. So, yeah, shout out to Dean.
Pull that out of there.
First day on the Druid, it was really sick. Awesome small travel bike, but it still rides like a big one. Love that. Trails are awesome right now, fall time. Yeah, couldn't ask for more. It's awesome ripping with Sean, and yeah, we'll hopefully make some more content soon.
Woo!